This helicopter attempts to take off from a crowded place but then lands back as it's not possible. This is a near collision between a Cessna 172 and a Delta 757 at Orlando Airport in Florida.
Just from the other side for you.
Priority, dude.
Shut up. No, 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 no. Nope.
Zero was supposed to be on 2000 feet.
Oh, 5254 Kilo, Orlando approach, Roger. And what heading did they give you?
090, we saw it. We saw the guy coming. So we just flew 150 now, but they gave us 090 up to 2000.
5254 Kilo, Roger. Climb and maintain 4000. Climb and maintain 4000, heading 090.
4000 up, heading 090, 5254 Kilo.
This F-16 makes a tight turn during a low flyby. The saltwater crocodiles chilling outside of plane in Australia.
That is a croc outside of our mallard. Hey buddy, how you going? He's a big fella. Ever seen that out of your cockpit window?
This F-22 Raptor pulls a Top Gun maneuver.
Shit, he's gonna get a lock on us! No! I got a good lock. Firing.
This is Queen Elizabeth C-17 departure from Edinburgh. This bungee jumper jumps over a runway in Sweden.
Take a deep breath and I'll count from 3. Okay, here you go. 3, 2, 1, jump! Woo!